So you are set, eh? You are ready? Okay. Ameru Mweni, beta wa mheshimiwa in waiting. Okay, simply beta wa mweka ngiri. Ini korombe tika seneta county Meru. Na antawa ngiri wa sumire tisa November rasia imibio to morombe tika seneta. Na nikia ki otoma ndombe tika seneta ria Ameru ikwethira kwena rukuo runene sana kiotongeria bo Meru, especially kiitikega seneta. I'm sorry to tell you kwa mistake yethithekere kuthura muntu atena maono na bibio biotomante kwenda anto basokera onto ya burenge bea kuwa batonere preferred candidate or feel that possession kenda awatethania Meru na areta Ameru maendeleo kuma ke national government akireta mashinani. Ngandireria na problem dirikari ko thai non tonere meto ko deliver ke Ameru ndanjeria kuwa remete ni kwithirambi twena tongeria bathuri na kura, lakini atongeria bathuri na kura oteke nto bombe ite kwithira bakethithia oteke nto bombe ite kwithira by push maendeleo haya ite kurombe ite MP kana kia MCA kana kia governor kana kia human rep, particularly ndiromba ite senator nuo bati kwithira akeronga maka watethania jumbe ba Meru MCAs ba Meru bombe baketha bena bargaining power bakaria kayo kamwe baeta ke national government kana ke thirikari Uhuru Kenyatta baka oria imbibito mete bururete project over 130 Meru na ita Angeria imbibito mete twewa dam saiti ya inya Meru no teyo tokona ekiarirwa kinyemwe ibo kona other counties bari area dam siona mbinambi bari area manto last mile connectivity bari area barabara sio bari tabakatheta nonto bore mbo majani bore mbakawa na orimi bo area sio, lakini utongeria bo Meru boy ina agony state, boy in a deplorable condition. Na no mwanka batu toya Meru tokire tudwanie na tuisokera mathwanio tuteka make such mistake again. Anto Meru no bamborini ndikadhiria na iteka seneta na kite na kite. The answer is very simple, very simple. Kuna kintu kiratuwa atire kwethira wena that bargaining interest, ukethe wena interest ekuwakilisha Mumeru teko koloma ke ukasia musara witiandege weta ndesia ome ukia musara weta biashara ni siaku no bati komenya nto aba kuthurire ingwe bakwere myaka 5 na baitaji kubwithia no oversight bone ningwe kari oritere te lazima ke wethira taira mbesa Nairobi as you are purporting kambu otembesa ite taira Nairobi. That is a lie. You are selling lies to Meru at the invest of the taira Meru. That's a professional lie. Then the same person, ukiwa invest of the taira Nairobi, you are walking around in our local media, in our local radio stations and the TV stations, oetwera thirikari ya county ya Meru for the last 1 year itaona mbesa. Stop contradicting yourself bwana. Hapana, kuna kitu kama hiyo. Otwere mbesa wa taira Nairobi, then osoke arenge otwere thirikari ya county ya Meru ere could deliver services ke mwananchi ikwethira bataona mbia mwaka yomwe. Then that's a very ironical. Otwere mbesa na siore, then somebody is sleeping somewhere. You are fooling us. That one cannot happen. You are fooling us. Okay. Bio toma mbeya korombe teke Senator Meru. And I want that one to go away across the entire Meru. Ndienda Meru bamenya atiri. Number one, inkwenda twethe twina bargaining power. Bato Meru twethe twiciara area as a block. Teto tukuringanira wana central watu weta wa central Kenya. Momeru watu kuringanira wa mweko watu weta wa central. Into bia njeria kugawa tukero watu tu Mount Kenya. Otongeria wa njeria kugawa twaigwa tukero tu North Eastern tukuringanira na Ekamba. That is iwasia nini? Wasia ki ila tu atongeria tugurete akura. They are doing nothing. They are doing nothing. Tuwe na Meru tuwe na our own bargaining power. Senator Meru ndinganire ajumbe bombe, ndinganire MCAs bombe, nominated, babonde bakathabe nominated. Bonde ndibaekamu twaria na sauti imwe. Naone siasa cia Meru no tongeria mo Meru na maendeleo ya Meru yakanuka from 2022. Number 2, inkwenda agriculture yokera. Agriculture involved function eroterero county na county sietu itemea okeria agriculture. Twena senator okoria akiwa imbesa kwa Nairobi ata lobby interest ya agriculture kinyemwe ata ita wasiri wa agriculture Meru twarerio mantu yeria ya muremi kakore wa 2017. Meru is an history, it's in agony state. Murimi omeraka korera atena mbesa na naye kwenda osokia mwana oke sukuru January. Murimi omajani atena mbesa kinya ikambangine ate on loan. Murimi weria ate on mbesa nyase korera ngombe ke mutu nontomo mbesa ira korero asio eria. Murimi kwasie ka korera ruare tutena value addition. Senator, why are you sleeping? You are tired of what you are doing because you are doing nonsensical job. You are doing nothing. Nontombi, lobby with county government, engage the county government of Meru, engage the MCAs, engage the MPs from your respective county of Meru. Baike Muswanda mbunge. Kwani konini? Baike Muswanda mbunge na tone kodira ibaoba kare oyo support. Ambunge bae Mount Kenya bare oyo support. Na bo mutongeria wo akiapo yo twera tweke tukimwe. Okothia batu twemeru twaike Muswanda na ambunge ba Mount Kenya bare oyo support. Then mutongeria wo sieta no Mount Kenya eya tukawatanira nweno nto ambunge bakwawe ibare oyo support Muswanda ore timu Meru. Kodre no Banyanza, kodre ibao Rift Valley, barero support. Mutongerio Rift Valley akeya Meru otwenderia sera iteaire kana mutongerio Nyanza otwenderia sera iteaire. Kodre batu tunosore na Rift Valley kana eko kana Nyanza kana Ekamba ituike Muswanda mbunge twe ajumbe ba Meru. Muswanda yo wokeria agriculture twekere legal frameworks, legal policies irasiatelia agriculture in Kenya. Agriculture is the backbone of economy. Maybe on to batena mesa. That's why president the other day asked akiwa atekomea why Kenyans are broke. Kenyans are broke because the economy of Kenya is in a destitute state. Because of what? The backbone of economy of Kenya has been deprived. That is agriculture has been deprived. Okay. Sorry no ntoba kwa ariandori. Lakini yangu watiri Senator Meru before tokinya 2022 dai anku wake karomba ete no ndo karomba ntao kuma siasa nene. I know you are insulting me Holva. Ntao kuma siasa nene. Lakini can you engage the elected leaders of Meru? Tomenyoto atendia murimi Meru. Na ito kwenda twethe twena public Teachers Training College yethire ruterero Nyambene either imenti na tiania eta Meru yera Meru teachers na ingi goji inya tutukethe atone yele na musiari yendi ampempe cia kunia ithano aeta akaria school fees mwana akathoma twena public ECD bobo ororunde na buo ibo ororunde na buo demo Meru. Number 3 totemia kuwa ngangwe ku iko data irambesa ake antu betu abakwa impara abange bakoro wa nonto insecurity nonto mamba ya miunda engage the land CS assort these issues. The interior cabinet secretary for interior and the coordination of whatever Matiang'i you sort the other issues. You can engage all of them kenda tomboteria antu Meru. Finally anko bwera Meru onde mweka ngere nkaromba iteke seneta obuite nonto tukwenda oteria Meru. So no visit my Facebook account, that is Senator Mweka Ngiri, kana no ndingira thimo ke 0100 60 1570 kenda twaraniria tutethania. Thank you.